Hello, guys. So we're gonna talk about decimals. So you might uh oh, never mind. Let me just erase this. You might have heard of one, not that one. Wait, you might heard of 1.5, not 50. 1.0. But what does that mean? In, in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. So let's begin with this. The places, actually. So, once you did one, never mind. And okay, so first, uh, you know, you know what I told you, 1.0, which actually means one. And if it's two, if it's 2.0, it equals 2. So that means a plus 1 or 1.0 equals to that number or that plus that plus that or that, okay? And then I'm going to show you how you do it on the number line. Then let me show you on the number line. So I need it. So I can wait from here. And then I can use my pen to I don't see it, so I'm gonna put this. I'm not good at this, so I'm gonna erase this. How do I? And then finally, so okay, okay. So now I'm just wait for a second. So here is 0, and here is 0.1. And it keeps on going. 0.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, until we get to 1. And it keeps on going. 1.0 to 1.2. Yeah, it keeps on going. So that's important when you learn decimals. And what if you spot one? What if you need to spot one on a number line? So, like for example, if this is 0.5 and the nearest one is 0 and here is 1, we'll get a rest 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then so I'll do 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. And then no, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 9, blue, and then blue, and then the blue, and then the blue. And then with the ones before 0 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move on to the next one is 5. Okay. Oh, whoa. I didn't meant to do that. It's on eraser. So that's how you can do on a number line. So what if you okay, so now if we see 0, if we see 0.5 on a number line, where should we put it from 0 to 1? Where should we put it? This is a test. Adding 2 also. Okay, I'll give you second, and then it's at the middle. So here is where 0.5 is. Now, another question. What about 1.4? Let me get you a test. So here's the half line. Okay, once you get 1 more, that is the answer. So once you got that, now you see the answer is here, or in other stances, here. So you see it here. That's 1.4. Now another one, but still keeps on going. What about 2.2? What about 1 and then 2? Found it, that's 2.2. What about a tricky one? Try to find 0.1, 1.1, and 2.1. Now plus 2.6. I'm giving you 4 of them. Okay? Good. So 0.1 goes directly here. That's where 0.1 is. 1.1 is at the beginning of 1, which is right here. And then 2.1 is at the beginning of here, which is to be this. And then 2.6 is after the half line. So that's going 2.6 is going to be here. Okay? Now you guys know decimals on a number line just by doing a test. So in our next video, we're gonna try to convert decimals into fractions. Okay? I'm erasing this up, and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.